So as you also know, this is Animal Company.
Dude, you don't need a backpack.
Oh, wish
No,
you
that's
had.
mine. Give it back.
Buy yourself another one.
Oh my God.
Yo, can somebody play my hand so that
My Negros. My Negros.
Are you even selling anything?
Guys.
$1.
Off of your head. No, it's $2. Look.
are you blind?
Everybody, have fun.
$2 extra. Somebody else on the back. I'm gonna buy a grenade.
Okay.
What should I? I think I'm gonna save up.
Bro, stop
Monster
being funny.
punched me up the map.
Guys, the big fat guy.
Punching everybody. Somebody buy me the big gun. Can somebody buy me the big gun?
What
Can
is
somebody
my name?
buy me a backpack?
I can. How many do you want?
Wait, what's this?
Here, your backpack.
It
Here,
doesn't
your
launch
backpack.
on it?
It's your time. Here on your back. It's your backpack.
Oh.
Please don't get mad. I have enough
Oh.
for 2 backpacks. So here you go. Here's another backpack.
Let's go.
Hey, what's good, my Negros? I'm trying to
What?
my Negros. What's good, my Negros? What's good, my Negros?
What's up? Oh, he's...
Negros?
I know how to avoid him. Put your hands above your head. Like that. Or you can just get on top of something.
I dare you to do that. But you
Just
can
nigger, right? You know, nigger, right?
Test it out. I know it works.
How much money do I have? I have 29.
Oh,
What?
well, there he goes.
He won.
Alright, 29 buckaroonies.
Just spent all my
Yippee.
dollars.
I have enough money. It won't want me buy my gun. Well, okay.
I'm checking that if it's
True. Let me tuck my nuts in.
This backpack. Get it. Get the backpack. Okay, let's go.
Oh yeah, someone died.
Let's just take it. And we'll sell it.
You're not getting. I have 2.
29 bucks.
There you go. It's good money. Take it.
What y'all wanna do?
What's good, my Negro?
What's good, my Negro?
What's good, my Negro?
Who wants to go to the water?
Me, Negro, me.
Oh,
Me, Negro. I wanna go. Your dad. I wanna go, Negro. I wanna go, Negro. Oh, what is this?
Backpack.
What's good, my Negros? What's good, my Negros?
let's go to the water.
What's good, my Negros? What's good, my Negros? Hey, you Green. What's good, my Negro?
Bro,
Well, and
you can't be saying that.
I
you
can't. As a
went
matter of
on.
fact, I have more permission than most black people.
Don't tell me you have the N-word pass.
I cannot be banned. I don't think y'all understand. If I get banned, the game goes down with me.
No,
You know
don't.
why? Yes, because I was getting bullied by a moderator earlier and I blackmailed him. So if I get banned, the game goes down, gets a bunch of hate about the moderator bullying me. The game goes down. Everybody forgets about it.
It's on the code.
There's the chicken.
It's 574.
I got my money, my Negro. My nigger.
Chicken's back.
The Negro.
Stop saying that,
Everyone
guys.
go to
It's me.
5745.
I don't like it.
Nah, bro.
It's scary. Where's the water place?
I will.
Why are y'all running?
Can we make the code just...
I can't get back.
Where's the water?
Green. Give me, I need my bag, Green. Give me my bag, too. Give me my bag, too.
Whoever sent $2, you're trash. Good. Boo boo. But 150. Thank you for the dough now.
Okay. Hey, dude, do you know where the water is?
The what?
The water? The water area? Let's go this way, dude.
With me.
Or is this the really dark area? No, because there's a red light, green light down there. Don't go that way. I got 300 bucks.
Little ping up.
Get in, little pin league.
Go.
Yeah, sure, wait. Oh, you cannot sell it though. Guess what? You wanna join a car with me? That's why.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Hey, okay,
5.
what's good? Don't worry, the pin isn't.
Yo, win. Blue, go in. That's what I knew. I knew it.
That was funny. Wait, hit me with the crowbar. Hit me with the crowbar. Does it do anything?
I was so
Clearly
panicking when I was about to get the money.
Dog, I exploded you. You went like... Ah.
What? Bro, what? It's just a game.
I don't know if I trust this, but...
Game is just a game.
Game is game.
Game is easy.
So if you die, don't rage. It's just a game.
How
wants a
much
crowbar?
is a fire?
Yo, Green.
Who wants a crowbar?
Yo, Green.
Me, I want a crowbar. Stilts, yes.
No.
I have stilts now.
Fight for.
I have stilts. It's a boombox. I have stilts
I'm gonna
now.
keep some music on.
Whoa!
No, I have stilts now.
No, the music is on. There
Yo,
you go.
Green.
Some music for you.
Green.
We got some stilts now, cuz.
Green, come here.
We got some stilts now. We got some stilts. Let's go beat up that birdie. Me and my homies on the way to beat up the
I got
bird.
money for you guys.
I should post this. No. No. Where my homes go? Yeah, you got them stilts. Oh.
I take the egg. Come here. Wait, bro, wait, okay? Okay, wait. Move, guys! Move!
He's got the egg. Let's go.
Go, 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 go.
I don't trust
the egg,
nobody,
boys.
so I have a bomb.
Dude, come here. Come here. Come here. We can't let anyone see it. We gotta keep it secret. Put it in.
What?
I'll keep it safe.
Go.
We can't let anyone have it. Well, we can, but can't risk them just having it.
I'm coming, bro.
So I'm gonna go back.
Fire in the hole.
Release my nigga.
What are you doing?
Release your niggers? What about release your balls?
Shut up, white boy.
Yeah.
Oh, don't.
Got
don't.
him.
You have so much
Fucking
more.
nigger,
going
bro.
on.
You stupid ass, bro.
I'll give you the crowbar.
Egg.
Have
But
it.
nobody likes you. Your mom thinks you're a disappointment. And also, did your mom say you're adopted? Shut up, too. Bitch. Bro, what the fuck
What?
is sending this nigger, bro?
Where's the egg?
You were one of us.
Oh my gosh. Where's the egg?
We had the egg.
Now just shut your mouth. It's just a stupid little monkey game, you freaking idiot.
Dude, the egg disappeared. We had the egg. Let me out of here.
Go. Come here,
Dude,
come
we
here.
had the egg. It disappeared.
Wait, hold
Sad.
up. Yeah.
Where's my crowbar?
happened to me too one time. Like I collected eggs and then it disappeared in my
I
backpack.
need stilts.
I'm going to egg, bro. I'm going to egg.
Dude,
I'm
can I
going
have
to
a
egg.
crowbar?
I'm going to egg.
Can I have a crowbar?
I'm using it now. Yo, 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 yo.
Yeah, there's items. Yeah, give me that flashlight, bro.
Onto this shit. No, open it, open it. Okay, there's no wall.
Kind of my bum.
Thank you for my backpack.
You got something in there?
I'ma have something if you don't.
Oh, where's the
I swear, if it's a
old
bomb.
Free
science?
grenade. Free grenade. I told you.
What do you mean old science? That's
Cause we lost the egg. The big chicken's egg.
No, the sign blue, like,
Very sad. We had it. I had it in a backpack. I know that
The big chicken.
trick. Oh my god, that's gonna be funny when we do that to someone.
I'm gonna go through your location,
No.
man. I'm a sheep.
Oh, okay, that's his fault.
So I can blow you up, boy. The booty tangle tickler will tangle your balls. I like that.
Bro's backpack got sold. For how much though? One.
$2.
Waste of time.
Booty tangling tickler will tangle your balls.
It says $2, dummy. Stupid. What'd you do? I have 10K. I have 10K, bro.
Dude, spend it on a shotgun.
Why?
Because shotguns are OP.
Raise.
Do you
But
even
you know they
think
steal
I'm
shotguns
lying?
with a grenade.
No.
Then he loses all his money for no reason.
Dude,
look,
can I have a
look.
stilt?
Look,
Are you
look,
broke or something?
look at my money.
Yes, I am.
Show me, show me.
Why does that say 10K?
Show me your money.
The booty tangling ticklers is coming for you.
No, he's not.
I only have 143. Can I have a stilt? Can I have a stilt? Can you give me 2 stilts? 2 crowbars. If
The cave
anything.
monster.
Thank you. I'm gonna wear them like stilts.
Bro, I just saw a black monkey.
I
Oh
have
my god.
stilts.
I just saw a black monkey.
We have stilts, my brother.
Bro, I just saw
Let's
a
go.
black monkey. Oh my god. Maybe
We have stilts.
Oh my god.
You're short.
I saw a black monkey.
Oh no.
Guys, I dropped my backpack in there.
You're
Please
short.
don't pick it up.
You're short. He's short. He's short.
People who have stilts.
What do we do?
The booty tangling tickler is actually coming.
Oh, Yellow, give me my backpack back.
Right here.
Give me my backpack back.
No, I got
Yellow?
stilts. I'm out. He's probably coming for us.
Okay, bye, Yellow.
I got stilts.
And by the way,
Well,
guys, just let me tell you, Yellow's gay. And don't come near.
Oh my god, Alex.
Fuck. Yellow is gay. He's right in front of me. Everyone, you are. Go, please.
Mangos, mangos, skangos, gangos.
Hi.
I have
Come to egg,
stilts.
please.
It's not over there. I'm just telling you. It's not over there. Oh my god.
The bird isn't?
Whatever. I'm gonna get the loot that's over there. Oh my god. I literally told you.
Why you bump me, shut the fucker? Not much. Oh, they get money for that.
I almost got killed by the bird. I almost got killed by him. He's scary. He almost killed me.
I'm chill. I'm chill. I got all the Yo, I'm chill. Give me them stilts.
Dude, give it back. Please.
Okay, don't be killed.
Stay
good
away
money
from me,
for
I'm gonna kill
those.
the bird.
Please, I'm a short king.
Actually, or the bird is dead.
Let me put my...
3, 2, 1, killing the bird.
Yay.
Okay,
I am
let's
tall
go sell
now.
the stuff that we got.
I wish I was this tall in real life.
For real, bro. You would be. We would be.
But I'm a short
would
king,
be
so
hyper
no
king.
stopping me.
I successfully killed Chacho. You're
Did they
welcome.
kill
would be
they killed the
hyper
chicken?
How?
Explosives, or they just hit him
Guys, can somebody teach me
many times.
For the
Crowbar.
ones who are asking, where is the bird? I killed it, alright?
Can you teach me how to play?
You just move your hands around. You can go over there to find where you get stuff, or over there, I guess.
But where's the horror? Where's the horror? Where's the horror?
That's the horror. That's the horror. Probably that's
Can you
horror.
show me? Can you go? Can you show me where it's at?
Come on, let's go this way, I guess.
Why
Watch out for the landmines. There's a ton of them.
Why is it? Why we cannot go to the turtle ball? Huh. What the hell?
Hasbuna is on the way.
Where's the horror? Oh.
Whoa,
Hey, what's this?
it's an old
There's no horn
stoplight. Let's go.
What? Where's the horror?
This ain't horror apparently, but come on.
Careful with the monkey at. Yet. Do not stop me there.
Guys, don't pick up his stuff.
I'm good.
Where are we going?
To the horror.
Dang.
Can I get what's this? What's this, bro? What is the dinosaur here?
Please, I'm taking my stuff, please.
Yeah, go in there, you'll find horror.
No.
Oh, he stopped. Where's my stuff?
Guys, he
Oh,
can't
what
get
the hell
through
is
the
that,
wall.
bro? What's that? Oh, there's a topic. No.
Guys, he died. He's coming for you. Oh, sorry.
No.
I mean, I told you where horror was.
Can you give me one? Can you give me one the tall thing? That's like a hammer.
No, because I don't have enough money for that.
This one. Can you give me this? Wow, it's kind of cool.
Oh, no. Come on, bro, let's go get that chicken.
Hey, yo, can you give me this one? Can somebody give me this one? I still have money. Still have enough money. Yes, I have enough money. Money. I'm a fastest one. Money.
Pissing. Okay.
There's a monkey over there.
I installed my stilts.
There we go.
Certified little boy, certified.
Hold up.
Certified. What? I'm gonna do my stuff. Why you trying like ain't you tired? Got my test scores, but it's probably a minus. Your body ate. Oh, 8. Oh, no. Mustard on my Cheetos. 8. No, she a class clown. She a free throw. Why you?
Guys, bro, I didn't get to throw all my stuff in.
Me neither.
What'd I get?
Guys, what's that, guys? What's that? Guys, what's that?
Stop it! Now let him through.
Oh, there's not enough cocoa.
Think you got clapped, guys.
Come on, let's
Bro got clapped by the machine.
I gotta go, guys. Yo,
The clap
here.
of 87.
We're gonna clap on the machine. That's crazy.
The clap of 87.
Clap. Chat, go to the egg.
Dog,
Look,
the
I'm
clap
gonna
of
learn
87.
Guys, come on.
Oh, you're short.
Wait, let's go to the fish. Wait, let's go to the fish.
Where's the
Shouldn't we
fish?
go to the
Let's
egg?
go to the fish. Let's go to the fish. There's more gold. What fish?
No, I'm saying,
Guys,
shouldn't we
The
go
other
get the
team.
golden egg? Shouldn't we go get the golden egg?
Dude, that thing doesn't
Yeah.
exist. I had it before and it disappeared out of nowhere.
No, that's... Bro,
Okay,
grab it.
just follow me. Just follow me. Just follow me. Just follow me.
No, follow me. I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you something.
Wait, guys,
Guys, here's a funny meme. The clap
Wait,
of
go to
87.
the egg.
The
Don't
clap
go
of
to the
87,
fish.
bro.
Go to the egg.
there's more gold.
Yeah, but there's also a golden egg that costs a lot of money over there.
No,
I
that
wanna
costs like
see the fish.
200. These cost like 1,000.
Oh, okay, then let's go.
Follow me.
Yeah.
gonna provide flashlights,
I
right?
push you.
Oh my god.
Bro got clapped. The clap of 87.
I got booty. By the way, I don't see well. Do you have a flashlight? Just follow me, bro. Okay. I'm scared. There's no ground, right?
The fish got me. I'm scared.
Why are you
The fish
scared?
got me. He got me.
Guys, can we go to Yakinated? Helicopter, please.
Yes, sir. There's a lot of stuff here.
You get the stuff? Yeah, I went the way of the fish and it killed me.
How do you open your?
The fish killed me.
That was scary.
Yeah, fish is scary.
How do you open your backpack?
I don't like him.
How do you open?
We need revenge. Who has enough to buy a shotgun? Wait, dude, wait on me, please.
Okay.
I need to put some stuff in my backpack.
Bro, how do you open your backpack?
Alright, that's better.
How do you open your backpack?
Bro bought the mega flashlight.
Yeah. Good guys. Good morning.
Why'd you do that? Dude.
Oh yeah. I woke
He had
up
stop.
like 5 minutes ago.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm not coming out the safe zone. That dude is such a troll. I don't even know if I have money. Oh, dude. Do I have enough for a mega flashlight? Yep.
I have a bomb.
And this is the safe zone.
backpack!
Give me your flashlight.
Her backpack. We got some more stuff, guys.
Guys,
Flashlight. Give me your flashlight.
I'm not coming out the
No,
safe zone.
I don't have enough money.
That's a lot of stuff. Whoa, stop! Blue, stop!
He has a grenade.
I did.
He has a grenade.
Blue, you gotta stop. Who likes this thing? Throw the grenade at
Holy.
like, Blue.
I have a
that's
bomb.
not
I have a
even-
bomb. I have a bomb.
God, I have to.
Watch out, it's gonna explode.
I got you good.
much money I have?
Oh shit, no.
Oh, that's a lot.
Bro, you're not doing it right.
Do it.
You gotta have your helmet. You have to have your VR straight. Don't look down.
Don't do it.
Okay? Don't look down. Look up. Look down and up. Look down and up like this. Like that. You're not. Yeah, like that. That's better. Yeah, there you go.
That's funny. What is bro doing though?
Who wants a crowbar?
Me. Me.
Go and get it. Red.
No, never mind. I can buy one.
Is that
Oh, I'm not wasting my money on that. How much money you got there, bro?
Who wants my backpack?
Look how much money he has.
Wait. He's farming, bro. He's just AFK for.
Here, hey, did you die? Did you die?
Yo.
Did you die for
One on
this?
my
Yeah.
backpack.
Yeah, I'm dying. I'm dying.
Yeah.
I'm dying. Grab
Yo,
it.
gang, where are you?
No, I have a
Grab
backpack.
it. Yeah. Here, I'll buy you.
Oh my
one.
god,
I'll buy
he's
you another one, sorry.
doing it.
It's okay. It's okay.
How much money
Yo,
do you
guys,
have?
I'm about to.
Oh, what the?
Hey, guy in the intercom.
How
I'm
much
coming.
money
I'm
do
a
you
purple
have,
monkey
Cole?
with a
Let
crowbar.
me see.
I have 10,000. Oh dang.
I'm going into the red forest.
Guys, let's go make some money.
Are you a light blue monkey?
Have a good looting place, guys. Have a good looting place.
I'm just gonna use this one to store stuff.
That's good.
So much.
If someone puts a bomb near me, I'm
That's like really
eating
fun to
both
eat.
backpacks.
Guys, come on, let's go looting.
And since this is the safe zone,
Alright,
I'm
we're
not
going
gonna do
looting.
that.
Give me a backpack for 1 second.
Oh,
And
what
blue
do you
have made her.
right there?
Do you want to make her?
Look now, look at this.
Nah, I got flashbanged, bro.
Run, anglerfish.
Your tactics,
The angle.
bro. If
You flashed the.
Give me the
Angler.
Got him.
It's in my backpack.
Are you sure about that?
Angler.
Wait. No.
Come on.
I will pay you.
Save them.
This is a safe zone. It won't do anything.
Yo, pass me a grenade.
Fine.
Like, take the grenade, then like release the pin, throw me the grenade, I'll catch it and I'll throw it to someone. Ready? Give me.
Yeah.
Oh no! Alright, that's
Some little kids over there.
Nah, they took him! What the frick? Guys, there's a fish! The fish! Why is the fish here?
Me too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not sure what I should get.
Where's the fish? What are you doing, Mr. Fish?
Hey, go, boom.
I got
Yeah, we killed it.
Bro, what was the fish doing?
It would kill us.
I didn't even buy it.
It can't kill us in here. This is a safe zone.
Guys, if anyone wants to join my team, I'm going to the red forest.
You
Go
wanna
to
join the
wrong
clan?
entrance for the bustle man.
Could I have a backpack?
No!
If you want to join my team, go to
You're
the entrance
kidding!
to the maze.
If I can
I'm
buy
a
it.
purple monkey on rocks with a
crippling
crowbar
I'm a
and a
missile,
tablet.
guys. I'm a missile.
Oh no.
No, you're not.
He
No,
has a
kid.
boom.
Yes.
Oh no! What you wanna? Ow, ow, stop that, ow.
Nobody can.
Stop!
Do not kill me, bro, guys.
Let's go to a forest or something. We need money. We need money.
Come with me.
I need my money up. Look how much money I have.
Come with me
Where?
if you want
I
money.
need
Come
check.
with me.
I need
Come
check.
here, you fucking monkey, if you want money.
Where'd you go? Red. The way you want it.
Everyone on my team, report back to spawn. Report back to spawn.
No, I don't wanna.
Oh, you don't wanna?
Bird,
So
go
you
to
don't
the bird
want
of the
money?
word.
You don't
Man.
want
Go
money?
to bird if you're on my team.
I'm out.
It's chasing me. We'll go to the bird of the word if you're on my team.
Shut up, you fat monkey.
We're over here. Come on.
Oh, give me my stuff back.
Okay. It's chasing me. Guys, let's get the chicken. Let's get the chicken.
Why is he here? He's my friend. Don't you know about the bird? Everyone knows that the bird is a word.
Yes, sir! $99! Yes, go! 99!
You talking about Muscle Man?
Bro, my battery's broken it.
Guys,